Hi guys, welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll show you guys how you can connect WAPI with N8N. So WAPI is a tool through which you can create voice assistant. I've already created a beginner level tutorial in which you will learn how to create your own voice assistant which can call on your behalf, which can also receive calls on your behalf. So no matter you want to create an outbound agent or inbound voice agent, you can create with WAPI. And N8N is a platform which is used for creating AI automations, and it's a super awesome tool. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can connect WAPI with N8N. So if you call your voice assistant, how you can transfer all of the data to N8N. Now, as you can see on my screen, I have this assistant already created, and that in the other tab, I have N8N, and you can see all of the data is coming up in the webhook in N8N. And if I copy my assistant ID and then search in N8N, you can see that this is the assistant ID and all of the data of this assistant, including the transcription, including the call duration, token it consumed, all of the data is showing up in webhook. And I'm going to show you a very simple way on how you can do that. I'm going to be creating a lot of AI automation related videos, so make sure to subscribe the channel and comment in the video below. Okay guys, so let's first create a new assistant. I'm going to click on create assistant and then let's name it new assistant. Doesn't really matter, right? I'm going to select customer support specialist and then click on create assistant. So you can see that the name is also changed based on the template I selected, which is the quick start template. You can do that as well. Click on create assistant. And here is the new assistant which got created. I'm going to change the name it to be N8N tutorial here. Perfect. And here I am going to send the data from this support agent to my N8N. Now, obviously we will need to add a webhook node. So let's add a new webhook node. Click on this plus sign, search for webhook. And here you can see that we have this webhook URL, the test webhook URL, and the method is get. So make sure to change the method to post. And one thing to note here is that test URL will only work when your workflow is not activated. So if your workflow is activated and you are transferring your WAPI call data to some Gmail or to Google Sheet or wherever you want the data to show up, you will need to switch to production URL. But currently my workflow in N8N is not activated. So I'm going to select test URL and then copy this webhook URL. So when you click on it, it is going to automatically copy the URL. Perfect. Now let's go back to the WAPI and here click on advanced. And when you click on advanced and scroll down, you will find messaging. Click on it. And here you will need to add in your webhook URL of N8N. So paste the webhook URL and scroll down, and under server messages, make sure you have end of call report, which will have all of the details. So let's uncheck all of that and select end of call report. And then click on publish. And then click on skip and publish again. And that's it. That's how easy it is to connect WAPI with N8N. No more hassle of creating functions and tools and like stuff like that. All you have to do is just on server messages, select end of call report. And when you click on talk to assistant, I'm going to listen for test event here.
Here, this is Alex from Tech Solutions Customer Support. How can I help you today?
So ended the call report, and when I go back to N8N, you can see that I have the data received for the call which I just made, and it shows all of the stuff. Like if I search for duration of the call, I can get that as well. So that's was the duration, which is maybe in millisecond. That's the time. So all of that stuff is being recorded in N8N, and that's how easy it is. You can automate your voice assistant and pass on data to any other software you want to use to. So that's it for this video, guys. It was a small tutorial. I have created multiple other tutorials related to AI automation. So if you go to my channel, YouTube, Websense Pro, and search for AI automation playlist, you will find a lot of videos related to AI automation. So you can see that N8N AI automation, and here you will learn how to connect N8N webhook, N8N with HubSpot, N8N error workflow, and how to connect co-high level with N8N. All of these videos are available in my YouTube channel. So if you want to learn more about N8N and AI automation, make sure to subscribe the channel and comment on the video below. That's it for this video. Until next video, have a great day.